Today's Tiffany Christian Academy Educational Exhibition. Students are displaying what they have been preparing throughout the week. Models, projects, varieties of curries. Let's visit the first class. Okay. Tell us what is your name? Okay. Which class?
4.
Chunky. Could you please explain for us how to make this curry?
Yes, I'll explain for you. India thung popular to bal an dalan wam hai. For spe bel to hang so ti sung gas len jutha ti sung dal to ko khelen tha ti sung jutha ti sung asam dam ti sung mathal to wan ho thal dal to hang tha ti sung ti sung hi dal to khe ha thilo ti sung bela khe ha tu thau tha ti sung gas kira he kun kira maruma pa hang tha ti sung ha ti sung dal to hang tha ti sung ha ti sung kun ti sung liho ti sung ha ti sung kun ti sung okay bang hotel bang hintung achakin lelo naka.
Thank you. Okay. What is your name? Okay, look at it, look at it. What is your name? Kier Timcha. Timcha, could you please tell us how to make what is this? What is this? Okay, you speak louder, you say.
Plate len patung sum chipo sum ki ben tung thau tha sum gas len sum gas to so sum ki thau to sa thal midim hang tha sum ki pyas to ren so sum kun ke makon di so sum ki rodam sin sum ki pyas kun mangpa kira hang tha so sum ki kupo sum ki bang ro fu sum so harun fu sum ki mirim to nayuro dam ki harun fu sum ki kupo fu sum bang ro fu sum so harun ki won thal ru na
Thank you. Okay. Quarring. Explain. You say your name, your class, and explain for us.
My name is Dangam Lambu.
For Dargam.
Class 4. Siniki. Nika project hai. Alu fry. Roll chana tum gada pa time ning. Ko sul sung.
The camera is okay.
Ko sul sung. Jadi bi dang na ha sung. Let len chi sung. Bel tom yang hang batun sung. Bel ha thau to tha sung thau to sa thal. Anu to hang tha sung. A so po sung. Na so po tal kum po sung. Kum to lo ko sung. Ha fu sung. Na ha tal kum do fu sung. Ha fu sung. Wamin tal ni jar ki khang ba. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, as of now, you cover. When others come, you open and you explain for them. Okay, cover away. Okay, explain for me. What is your name?
Yes, Walingam.
Walingam, could you please explain for us how to make this? What is this?
Mimi,
Okay.
kopi,
Ah.
and awatabi. I will
Only-
just show you how to make.
Okay.
First of all, awatabi hai. Chamrung sin su. Pi sal ren sin su. Thal te batu thal. Kopi hai. Chamrung sin su. Ren sin su. Pi te su. Thal te plate hat thal sin su. Mimi lap Betal te ngari he rosul sin chung. Bam hin tal te suma tha sin chung. Rapi he roku sin chung. Rapi he bam hin tal te suma ti sin chung. Nasu dum tal rapi tim tu sam khal te rapi tim me na travel betal te patikom pias tha telue tha sin chung tria.
Thank you. Junila, you tell us what is this, what curry is this, and how to make.
Sathal dung chak sin sung, muthal to sathal bal dung cha sin sung, bal dung cha sin sung, muthal pas cha sin sung, yes, oh, temol, paso, sa.
Okay. Larry, you explain for us what is this? Thank you. Okay. Samcha. You what is this? Okay, you explain for us how to make. Okay, class 2. Class 2. Okay, say something about your model.
One of the most fundamental aspects of our planet, which is the formation of day and night. Welcome to Day and Night Adventure. When the sun rises, it's daytime. We play, study, and have fun. When the sun sets, it's nighttime. Stars twinkle and whisper. The earth protect. That's why they changes to night. Thank you. Let's explore the vital sources of water that sustain life around the classes. Welcome to our water adventure. My name is Anarchmani. Let's explore where water comes from. Rivers, flowing waters that brings life. Lakes, waters bodies that store water. Good morning, sir. My name is TCA. Rain, water drop from sky that fills river and lake. My name is Irish. Wells, water hidden underground that we can use. Water is precious. Let's have it and keep it clean. Thank you.
Okay, all the thing. Congratulations, class 2.
Thank you, sir, for coming.
And vegetables. Now let me talk on fruits. Yes. Fruits. Apple keeps our heart healthy and improves digestion and boosts immunity. Banana instant energy and Banana instant energy and good for our muscles and digestion. Orange. Orange rich in vitamin C and keep our skin glowing. Tomato rich in vitamin C and give us natural glow. Lemon full of vitamin C and helps in digestion too. Guava. Guava very high in vitamin C and give cold and cough away. Pomegranate builds our blood. Pomegranate builds our blood and keeps our heart healthy. Now I'll talk on vegetables. Onion. Onion. Onion help in lower blood in sugar and fights with infections of diseases. Pumpkins rich in vitamin A and good for our eyesight and keeps our heart healthy and brain. Brinjal. Eggplant we eat in fry and in curry. It purifies blood and good for our muscles.
This our process is about organic farming. This organic farming means it is a way of growing plants and animals naturally without using fertilizers or pesticides. Instead, we use the natural methods to keep the soil healthy and protect the crops. So here you can see we divided the land into two groups. Here we plant vegetables and here we use as paddy fields. And then in these vegetables, we again divided into sections. And then we plant so many varieties of vegetables. Here we plant potatoes, and here we plant tomatoes, and here we plant mustard leaf, and here we plant garlic, and here we plant onion, and here we plant carrots. And then in this paddy field, we plant a crop. Here you can see, sir, this is a house, and these are trees, and then these are fencings, and this is a scarecrow, and this is a farmer, and this is a cow, and then this is water pump, and this is water well, and this is a tank. These are water irrigation. Water irrigation means it is a supply of water to the land or crops. It helps in growth or typically by means of canal. And sir, this is vermicompost. Vermicompost means it is a natural fertilizer. In this organic farming, we don't use chemical fertilizers. Instead, we use the natural fertilizers like cow dung or compost or green manure, which help the plants grow smoothly or give the leaf. And then there are so many benefits.
Okay, you are doing this even in the partition organic fertilizer.
No,
What did you give in the partition?
the natural fertilizers like maybe a cow dung or
Okay.
ash. That's all I like.
Yes, water. Okay. Good water. Okay. It's not raining now. Today is day now. Sir, you're putting water down there. Can you tell me?
So photosynthesis, this is the process by which green plants make their own food by using sunlight and chlorophyll. And let me tell you the process. So the sun gives sunlight to the plants, and the plant takes water from the soil through the roots, and then in the leaves it processes photosynthesis by taking in carbon dioxide from the air, and then it converts it into oxygen and glucose. It releases oxygen in the atmosphere, and then the glucose becomes the food. And here the animals gives out oxygen, carbon dioxide.
Photosynthesis occur mostly in day or at night.
Mostly in the day.
How many percent but only? Very good inspiration. How many hours, how many days? 2 days.
Hi, a very good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
My name is Ritun Samhan, standard 9, and my colleague name is Ritun Samhan, Ritun Nitari, and we are in the board class. And the project we are working on is called the drip system, known as another irrigation method. And as you can see in this project, there are a lot of details, mainly an artificial tree, a hut, a well, a dinosaur, and an artificial tree again, and a hay bale, a goat, and this is an uncultivated land, and this is a windmill, and lastly there is mainly we will focus on this side because it is called drip system. First of all, drip system is an irrigation method where water are transported through tubes and pipes that are joined with a hole, a very tiny hole, and the water is dropped and taken by the plants or crops that we harvest and give them abundantly and grow abundantly. And the benefits for this drip system are it is not that complex to make, and it is easy to use. With only one just step, the water will just go and will give the water to the plants, and it controls weed. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning, good morning.
I'm from Standard 8. These are my colleagues. Let me introduce them to you, sir. This is Brother Lamtral, and this is Brother Bintral, Sister Kamhani and Sister Sumi. Today we are displaying the model of layer of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. First, I'd like to talk about troposphere. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere, and in troposphere there are so many gases, but there are 3 important gases: nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen help the soil to fertile, and oxygen help us in breathing. Carbon dioxide is necessary for plants to live. We breathe oxygen and we release carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by the plants. And in troposphere, when the height reaches 165 meter, the temperature decreases 1 degree Celsius. And the second one I'd like to talk about is stratosphere. Aircraft fly beneath the stratosphere. In stratosphere, ozone is present, which protects us from ultraviolet ray. In stratosphere, the temperature increases. And the third one is mesosphere. Mesosphere is the coldest layer of the atmosphere. In mesosphere, meteorites fell from above, and in mesosphere it puts out the fire. And when the height increased in mesosphere, the temperature decreased. The fourth one is thermosphere. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of the atmosphere. When the height increases, the temperature increases rapidly. Beneath the thermosphere, there are one layer, ionosphere. Ionosphere reflects the radioactive wave back to the earth, which help us in wireless communication, just like mobile phone. And with the electric charge and presence of gases, it forms aurora, which is mainly present in polar regions. And the fifth one is exosphere. In exosphere, there are light gases just like helium and hydrogen. In exosphere, there spacecraft fly above, and there are international space stations which orbit around exosphere. These are the three spacecraft. This is rocket, and this is weather satellite and artificial satellites. Thank you.
Okay. You said one of the layer protect us from.
Ozone, ultraviolet ray.
Okay. Which layer?
Troposphere.
Stratospheric.
I forgot to introduce
Protect us from.
one of my colleagues.
Okay.
His name is Brother Rasfon.
Okay.
Masre, siapa nih Christian Academy ke? Aman siapa kan nih? Mapa teh kapsul saya itu. Masih teh exhibition kan aku na. Ibang sa thong ba niyo so. Mani school ko. Rosa na kaya timang ko mapa ilang ne. Patin ko thong hen atam exhibition ko na. Sri pen. Mande ke.
신이 강만 완전 무서 따기 먹어도 아마는 액티비티 나 거기는 나 수기 진이 빠가 타데 암만 소 강만 암만 잔이 너 수도 기다리면 되기 잘해 스튜던트 해 explanation 바로 통해 딱 나가 또 강만 암만 잔이
Warning ang banhang ti. Oh, unang paka. Oh, lang ito.
So cảm thấy nó thấu ra cái nó kumia sa kasara so fani thongi ang to na ka na maluluki na muha nila sa da na kan exhibition mali amali ba ro sa na so ti sa si mo kang han pan cha kan kan na student hin kumhen ki activities so na to sa ne ko shu thong kan khong ka khang he he si ekhel si to so malulu ekhel ibang hila damo amna ka damo ito dan sama mapanghe tu siya
Nomor ha jang cha. Oh, rosere man siapa kan nih? Siapa nih Christian Academy ke jang kunsen nih. Asini ibang sa tong exhibition he. Yam kem hono manghin ki. Atong ko me principal he. Lisitang san no te rosa ne am sabang. Rosa na wam thong he. Nupa nang hingkong ki. Hanna to manite feedback da ka pisa.
Dating ganing ama iam have ate educational exhibition na to hingi thapa ka ni so amosara kesari develop a chuk na ka dam hing wan na hing sari wan tam hing to hing ki am hing ju thi practical show of na to hing thapa ka no te kite ibang hang thong so khel si am kin hi pi hol la to hing no ka thang la hing no na knowledge ki pathin na la so na na sani mo sari hing wan na sem hing dam he kasa tes ka tu pisa manghing pa ka hang hi ba hi si
Manam paka. Kya?
Here are class 4 students with their tiffin. Today they present varieties of chutney and varieties of curries. That's why they brought tiffin. So class 4, congratulations. This is class 2 with their models for today, day and night, and rainwater harvesting. They display it beautifully. This is class 2 for photo session. Class 2, congratulations. These are class 2, 3 students with their models of the day, facts of Manipur, state animals, state birds. So they presented beautifully. Class 3, congratulations. These are class 1 students along with their teacher in charge with their model of the day, parts of plant, domestic animals and wild animals. They presented beautifully. Class 1, congratulations. This is class 6 displaying their monument models for educational exhibition. This is the last session, that is photo session. Class 6, congratulations. These are class 5 students with their presentation of tenses, focus on grammar subject. Class 4, congratulations. Class 5, congratulations. These are class 10 students with their models. This is Sandrayan tree, and this is organic farming, and this is project lift. So they assemble here for the last photo session. Congratulations, class 10. Class 9, this is drip irrigation, and this is photosynthesis. So these are class 9 students presenting their models during educational exhibition. This is the last of the day photo session. Class 9, congratulations. This is class 8 students displaying their model, layers of the earth. Class 8, congratulations. This is class 7 with the presentation of unhealthy food and healthy food. Here is their presentation. Class 7, congratulations.